In today's video, you're going to learn how to slay Riff by Mighty Riff, The Duke by Monster Magnet. What's going on? Welcome to Beholden to the Riff, the heaviest bass channel on YouTube. Let's get right into this one. We are in E flat standard, so grab your axe, tune up, and let's do this. Here's riff number one, nice and slow. So this is such a cool riff, a quintessential stoner rock riff, very hypnotic, very bluesy sounding. The riff starts out with an open D string, and then, so the riff starts out with an open second string, then we hit that octave 12th fret, and be sure to mute in between these notes. Okay, then it goes 10, 12, open 12. From there, it goes 10, 12, open 10. Then it's 12, 10 on the third string and slide out a little. So far. Next part of the riff starts out the same. Then it goes 10, 12, 10, 12. 10 on the third string, 8 hammer up to 10, third string. So that part is. Okay, all together. So we are in D flat minor. We're using the D flat minor pentatonic scale. We're going to throw the blues scale in here a little bit, but for the most part, it's centered around this open D flat string, then the 12th fret octave, and then we walk down the pentatonic scale. Okay, such a great riff. And check out the practice guide to get a little deeper into that minor pentatonic feel and how we incorporate that into the song. Here's riff number two, nice and slow. So it starts off on the third string, 5th fret. This is our root note. And we keep that same kind of rhythmic figure. Then we walk up the pentatonic scale. 3-5 on the low string, 3-5 on the third string. Okay? Then we come back to that main kind of theme. And we slide up to the 12th fret. Here it is all together. So really thickens things up when we come down to this low octave, keeps things a little more interesting, and just excellent bass playing. Before we get into the next riff, I'd just like to take a moment to thank the Beholden to the Riff Patreon community. Your support means the world and makes all these lessons and all these tabs happen. Thank you so much. Here's riff number three, nice and slow. So this one really propels the song forward. So we're still centered in that 3-5 kind of position here, root note, 5th fret, third string. So we keep coming back to this root note pedal tone. Starts on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, comes back to the root. 5th fret, 2nd string, back to the root. 3rd fret again. So from there, we bring in that minor blues scale, 3-4-5 on the low string. Then we start the riff back over. So such a cool riff. The key to getting this one is when we're going back between these, that pedal tone, is to mute the high note before coming back to that root note. And I'm using a combination of my right hand and left hand. So very cool riff and a really great way to practice that kind of string muting and cleaning up your sound a little bit. So here's the main theme of the next riff. So very cool riff, and we're shifting positions throughout that minor pentatonic scale. Basically starts on the root note, and then we climb up, we're using that blues scale. So it's 5-3-4-5. Then it's grace note slide 5 up to 7. This is where we shift position. Then we go 5 back to 7. Then 7th fret. This is our root note. So it's, we start on the 5th fret, just kind of a lead in, 5th fret, 2nd string, then walk down the scale. So that's 7-5, 7-6-5, 3, then it's 3 on the 3rd string back up to the root. So that high part. All together. And very cool. It really moves. So it's like. So the key to this one is thinking about it as shifting through positions. We start in this position, then shift up. Shift out. Okay, very cool riff. It, he builds on. So very cool riff. The riff, gets built on and adds some more like fills and flourishes. Check out the playthrough to see how those are all played. But this is the kind of meat of the riff. This. I mean, it's just killer. So much fun to play. So here's the first theme of the next riff. There's many variations throughout the next section, but this is the main idea. It goes like this. Okay, so that's all just centered around that minor pentatonic scale, leading up to our root note on the 7th fret, high string. Next part goes like this. So we're just walking back down to that root note. Here it is one more time. Okay, here's the next phrase. So that's walking up that minor pentatonic scale, coming up to that blue note and sliding out. Here's the last part. So now we're walking back up and, embellishing the run a little bit. So it's like. So these are just pull-offs, minor pentatonic stuff. So this is where spending some time practicing scales really pays off. So then you're ready to, for game time situations. So this is just running up the pentatonic scale. So then we're combining interesting rhythmic patterns and using these notes to create phrases. And, our fingers already have that muscle memory to play it. So it's Okay, so really worth hitting the woodshed, spending some time. And if you'd like to get the most out of this lesson, be sure to download the tab. The link is below, and check out the Beholden to the Riff Patreon page. That's patreon.com/Beholden to the Riff. We have interactive bass tabs synced with the song. You can speed it up. You can loop sections. These things are amazing. There's full bass boosted covers of the songs. And for this one, we have a custom 5-day practice routine. Check it out.